Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a BitTorrent. And why we are doing BitTorrent? Well, I went to the CoinMarketCap site and I checked which coins popped the most today, and BitTorrent was on top. And I haven't checked BitTorrent in a really long time. I did a video, one of my best performing videos before the reset, around here after BitTorrent launched. It was going down and I was telling people it's only normal thing for BitTorrent to go down. This was the BTT ICO price 0.000012, and it went 10x from the initial ICO price, and of course people are gonna take profits after 10x. I mean, you have to be really to not take profits after 10x. So the price was going down, but there was this line over here that's on the 1st April 2019, and that was the time when I read that BitTorrent was supposed to incorporate the BTT token into the program, right? So I thought once that happens, some kind of hype is gonna happen, you know. And you can see here after that it's continued going down, but I said it's gonna go up, you know, because the hype was there. It did go down and then it went up, and then up here it was, I think, 15 times the ICO price, and I think the sell-off came here because nothing happened, I think, with the BTT token in the BitTorrent. I'm not quite sure. I don't think the expectations were met, to say the least. Anyways, I don't know actually what's happening now with BTT token. I don't know what they are doing, but I think it's interesting that it's on top of the gain chart for today on CoinMarketCap. So I thought, let's do some tech analysis back on my old friend and see if there's some interest in this video. Stick around. Hello guys, welcome. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe to my channel if you wanna see more of these videos. Now said that, now we can move on. Okay, check this out. The BTT ICO price was 0.0012, and during Corona it went down to the ICO price and pumped back up. I think that's nice. So what we're gonna do here, first of all we're gonna clean up the chart so we can start over again. And if we because this was some kind of bottom down here before the Corona dump. This was some kind of bottom, right? And when they found the bottom, it started going up, and then Corona chain came and everything dropped crazy. So we're gonna ignore this dump over here, and we're gonna concentrate on this level over here and say this was the bottom. You can see here after the dump, the price slowly went up, found again support on top of it, went up, went down, found support here, found support there. Actually found support 3 times, 1 time here, 2 times here, 3 times here after this dump over here. So we know where the support is. Support's at 0.00. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore the zeros. At 275. 275. That's the support line for this token right now. Can it drop lower? I think it can. Will it drop lower? I don't think it will, because we are in bull market. Bull market, we're going up. Nothing's gonna down. People are just gonna buy anything they can get their hands on if they think they can make money on it. You understand? So nothing is gonna. If we have reached, I think we have reached low levels on most of the things. I mean, we can still get a dump or two, but everything is gonna pump real hard soon. Okay, so I think the BitTorrent is quite interesting if you look at it. So anyways, this was some kind of button, and now I'm gonna show you a really nice line. The line I'm gonna show you now, you know, I like lines, I like memorize, I like beautiful trend lines that are like, you know. Okay, so and I'm gonna show you the line, and you're gonna be like, damn man, you found the line. So you know, because finding the line is actually hard. So we're gonna use magnet, we're gonna use the top wick over here, the wick over there. Oh man, no, it was this one here. Yeah, this one. It got me there, it got me. The first wick, ignore the first wick. The second wick over here, the second wick, this wick over here, this over here, and this week over here, just before this week. I can't mark it. This week over here, right? So the 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, 4 weeks hitting, creating perfect line over here, man. It's beautiful. So this is the triangle we are actually trying to get out of. This was some kind of a test of a breakout, and then Bitcoin down 60% and pulled everything down back on the down levels, and everybody got the second chance to buy the lows. Everybody got the second chance to buy the lows. Everybody's got the second chance to buy lows. So we are in this kind of triangle now, and now the question is, are we going up, are we going down? When are we going to get out? Are we actually getting out? And stuff like that. So we are still in the triangle. So BTT is actually behind a lot of other altcoins in terms of getting out of the triangle. I think some coins are going to pump before this, before the BTT pumps hard, but it's lower priority coin, but I think it's gonna pump really hard. Now I won't say any target first, but I will say it's gonna go above these highs over here, and it's gonna first meet this support over here. So some kind of target for us should be, after it's out of the triangle, is down here. This is 622. So how many percent is that? Let's see, 622%. No, from 80% up, and that's okay. That's okay. 80% up. Was this horizontal line, man? It doesn't look horizontal to me. Am I being blind? Did I use horizontal line? Yeah, but is this horizontal line? Man, I don't know. Let me check it. They are parallel, right? Yeah, maybe just the screen is yeah, whatever. Anyways, that's some kind of support. That's the top we are aiming for in the first run, and we are actually aiming to break it. So we're gonna break the resistance here, top here, and then the next, of course, next target is at 1144. So next target is how many percent up from today's price? 222% up. Can it go up there? It certainly can. It certainly can, and it's going even higher. But those are like the first targets. The first targets to get higher, because this was some kind of high, and we have to go and get some higher high, and then higher high again, right? So you wanna keep that pattern. So first job is getting to this line. Second job is getting to this line. This line I think is gonna be really easy to take out. But this line is going to be the big kahuna, big resistance. So I think the first run up is going to be to this line, and which will be broken. And the 1144 is actually the one that we have to take out. 1144. So let's remove the price targets. Let's put the price targets back up. Let's do it like this. Put the price target over here and price target over there, and then remove these two lines. And let's check out. Now we're gonna remove the support as well, because we are not actually interested in support. We're just interested in the resistance line right now, and we want a clean screen. We want to remove the noise when we are doing the technical analysis. Now we're gonna check out the moving averages, and this is the weekly moving averages, and you can see what I mean when I say that the it's not quite ready to pump, because it's below the 20 moving average, and but it did get up above the 50 moving, but it's below the 20 moving average, the red line over here. It means we are not quite there yet. The trend is not bullish quite yet. I mean, we are in some uptrend. We got first low, and then we got a higher. Was this higher high? No, this wasn't higher high actually. So we are not actually in a bull trend yet, but it's getting pretty close. Okay, it's getting pretty close. And what we're gonna see here as well is the MACD. And MACD, we look like we're gonna get cross on the MACD quite soon on the weekly. And if you noticed earlier videos I did, like this couple of days, a lot of coins already got the bullish cross on the weekly, or are about to get it. This one is about to get the bullish cross, maybe even next week. That's why I'm saying, like, his BTT is lagging behind some other altcoins in terms of the priority when it's gonna pump. Because the way I think entire crypto market is manipulated, and people have their time frames when they're gonna buy and sell something, right? So they cannot trade everything at the same time, so they have to trade, okay, we're gonna trade this this day, we're gonna trade this on that day, then we're gonna manipulate this to hold off so we can sell this and buy that, you know. That's just natural thing people do, you know. People a lot of money, they do those kind of stuff. Now also the RSI is now at the 50, some natural position, and it has to get above 60 or something like that for us to be in bull market. So I'm expecting this actually just to continue going up and not getting up. If it go down again, it's gonna be a perfect buy opportunity. Like if Bitcoin, everybody expecting Bitcoin to get to 30% correction. When it's gonna get that, that doesn't quite matter. But if it does, it's gonna be perfect time to buy anything and everything, right? Just remember, perfect time to buy any altcoins if Bitcoin gets 30% rejection. And just to tell you, Bitcoin got some kind of RSI divergence going on, bearish, so you can check that out. Anyways, let's look at the daily here when we are closing to the end here, and you can see here all the moving averages here are actually converging together. Now this just looks like a big old mess here, but that's the red one is 20, the 50, the 100 and 200 moving average. Also this thick purple line is the 400 moving average. So everything is actually happening in this area over here, in this area here, and the price is just above the 20 moving average, and it's keeping the 20 moving average. This was 20 moving average right now. On the daily, it's keep going up, and the price is jumped above 20, and now it's keeping the 20 2 times. Here 3 times, actually keeping the 20 moving average, and it's keep going up. So we are actually really bullish on it. Here it was supposed to get a bearish cross, it didn't. So the MACD is still diverging, so that's good, and that means that this is some kind of an uptrend, right? We are down at low at 50 on the RSI, and we got no divergence that we can see right now. There's divergence here between this bottom here and this, and that's actually the bullish divergence, because the price is going down while the RSI, let's zoom in, is going up. I think it was these two. Yeah, see here the RSI was going up, the price was going down, so we got divergence, bullish divergence, and after the bullish divergence also the RSI was all the way down to the 28. It started going up. So I feel that people got some kind of a bottom, got some kind of bottom, and now they're pumping the price and going up. So I think we are in some kind of early stages of breaking the line. When we're actually going to break the line, all depends on the how good the price is to keep the 20 moving average. But we can expect at least, I think, I don't know. I don't know. Let's try to draw some kind of lines. Just tend some kind of lines, see if there is some kind of pattern here that's happening, because this was a bullish divergence. So bullish divergence, I've been looking through this, but I couldn't find actually any decent. The only thing I can get is this triangle right over here, however you want to draw it. It doesn't seem to have any expanding. Doesn't matter. Anyways, watch the 20 moving average, see if it holds 20 moving average, then watch the 50 moving average. This is for daily, the 4 hourly, there we go. The 4 hourly just held 100 here. Movement up, down, up. Yeah, this is a lot better to watch than the daily. The daily is a mess. The 4 hourly is really clean here. Okay, so up, down to the 200, down to the 100. Yeah, watch the 100 on the 4 hourly. 100 on the 4 hourly. Once the 100, I think 100 is gonna keep the price up on the 4 hourly. Anyways, like I said, the price target for the first price target is 60, 11, and the top price is 11.39. So that's it. But I don't think it's gonna be one of the first to pump. I think it's back in the priority queue, so I think some other coins are gonna be first pump. But it is pump today though. It had some kind of retracement, but it went. How far did it go? Yeah, it's all top. This is the bullish engulfing candle, so that's also good on the daily. If it closes above here, it's bullish engulfing candle, so it's quite bullish. BTT, there you go. You learned a little bit about BTT. It's gonna go up like everything else. I mean, this is my first bear market, right? I've been all the way since 2017 following the crypto all the way, right? And it's really nice to see how everything goes down to certain levels, gets into these kind of triangles, and then just everything just pops up like crazy. So I think the bull market that's coming is gonna be immensely nice to watch. Boring video at the end, sorry, but for everybody that watched all the way to this part, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. 399 subs right now, 399 subs, so 400 hype, go me. Anyways, thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow, maybe I shall have some other video token coin for trading. Anyways, not financial advice, you do your trades, I do my trades, you know. Thanks, bye bye. There's